Hi everyone, Patrick here. I know it has been a very long time. My last video was pretty much 1 year ago, where I was standing on this very same balcony and I was talking about the X-E5 and how it would be announced in 2025. And now here we are 1 year later on the same balcony, and today we're going to talk again about X-E5 because it's going to be announced tomorrow, and we have leaked a lot of specs already on FujiRumors, also images, but you get something more here today on YouTube. Before I address the X-E5, very quickly, I know many of you wondered where I am, if I'm fine. Don't worry, maybe I will have opportunity in future if I make future videos to talk about it. And I had a video actually done in October last year that I wanted to publish but never did. I don't know, maybe I'll publish it. But what you have to know is that it's all good, I'm fine, and that the X-E5 will come tomorrow. That's the most important thing. And this video is to bring you, for the first time, images, additional images of the X-E5 that nobody has ever seen, and you here on YouTube see it first. So, first image I want to show you is the top plate of the Fujifilm X-E5, and here you can see we already got a glimpse of it in a teaser of the of Fujifilm, but now you can see the full top plate and you can see very nicely where and how they implemented the film simulation dial. And I think now everybody has its opinion, some like it, some hate it, but for me this is a very elegant solution and I really like it. So unlike the film simulation dials on the X-T50 and XM5, the X-E5 will have also 3 custom options where you can save your receipt, and I already have an idea because I'm going to pre-order the X-E5. I already know 2 film simulation receipts that I will put on there, and I will let the link to those down below in the comments, and then I think about what I place there as a 3rd option. So that's the top plate, very beautiful. And now we go to the back side of the camera, and here you can see it's the usual very clean and the minimal layout of an X-E camera. Overall, with everything we shared, all the specs, IBIS 14 megapixel, and the new pancake lens will also come, the 23 f2.8. Overall, this is a very beautiful camera, and I'm going to pre-order it myself for the reasons that I will explain or already explained on FujiRumors. So go and check it out on FujiRumors. Overall, I think this is a very not only powerful camera, it has IBIS and the 40 megapixel DeX processor, the subject detection, just everything is in there, but it is also a very beautiful camera. Really, I don't know, yeah, maybe the X106 still beats it or is on par with this, but it is one of the most beautiful digital cameras that I've ever seen. So I'm really looking forward to pre-order it. I guess it will be a long waiting time to get it because I can see it selling very well. Super beautiful camera. And if you want to pre-order it, down below in the show notes of this video, there are all the affiliate links that you can use. You're free to use if you want not only to purchase your X-E5, but also to support the work and all the rumors we did on FujiRumors. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but if you click on them and then go on the store and pre-order there your gear, a small commission is valued back to FujiRumors. So if you decide to support, that's excellent. If not, support other creators, support other YouTubers or bloggers or whatever. Just use this tool you have in your hands to support people without any extra cost for you. But if you think I did a pretty good job with the X-E5 rumors and the 23mm pancake rumors, then feel free to use the affiliate links. So that's it. What does it mean for this channel? Is this kind of the reboot of the whole channel? Honestly, I don't know yet. But I want to be here for the X-E5 launch. It's the camera that keeps me most, that directs me most into the Fujifilm system, and I'm very excited about it, and I hope you're too. I know the price is a bit steep for US citizen because it's $1,699. Normally, I guess it would have cost about around $1,399, but then, you know, crazy things are going on lately. So not only in my life, but kind of like all over the world. So I guess we will hear from each other in future. I don't know how often, I don't know when, where, how, but you will get some updates, and maybe I will also publish that video that I made back in October where I was in the midst of the storm, but now I'm coming out of it. I'm writing the last lines of the book and it's a happy ending, so that's all it matters. Tomorrow, stay tuned on FujiRumors. There is the live blog, you won't miss anything, the whole X Summit, the summary, the pictures, the reviews, everything is there. I wish you an absolutely fantastic day. Life is beautiful. Take care. Bye.